Today's wig is coming from Wigs. It comes in this packaging here. This is the box. And it also has some free goodies in that packaging, which is this comb set right here. And y'all won't believe what kind of wig I got. Y'all not gonna believe it because I never reviewed an ombre wig before. Look at that color, y'all. Look at that color. So in the box, we just got a wig cap and this little pamphlet here, which shows you how to care for your wigs. And that's their Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube, and all that good stuff over there. And on the back, it just gives you the return information if you need to return the wig. So we got an ombre wig. So this wig is 16 inches long, and the item number is YH-130. This is pretty, I don't know, I'm scared, y'all. I'm scared of this. Like, I haven't worn this color since high school. So this is gonna be interesting. Okay, so here's the lace, the hairline. Here's the color up close and personal. The hair feels really soft. I'm receiving no tangles, no shedding. And once again, the hair is really soft. I know they had to bleach this hair to get it this color. And it's not hard and all. Y'all know how bleach hair can get, and it's very soft. So on the top, it's like this brown color. Or it's more like it's more on the blonde side, right? I don't know the exact numbers and names of these blonde wigs, so sorry, but I will leave the link and the details on this wig down in the description box below. We got lace in the back. We got 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, adjustable drawstring, and 1 in the middle or in the front. So I'm about to cut this lace off real quick in the back, and then I'm gonna cut the lace off, the front lace off when it's on my head. Okay, I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay. Put the combs in. I don't know how I feel about this color, y'all. Maybe let me get to styling it and everything, and then we'll go from there. Let me cut this lace off, get these baby hairs up and out of the way so I can cut this lace off real quick. So here's an up close of the lace and the hairline and everything. Very good, very good. I like it, I like it. The lace is laying nice and flat. What y'all think? What do y'all think about the color? Let's see. Let's comb out these curls real quick. Ooh. Y'all know I love some dark hair, but this is actually okay. I think I would have to let it grow on me, but the color is like dead on. See how this is dark up here, then it just fades, and they really nailed it on the color as far as the ombre. I like that. I think I'm gonna just style this like in 2 pigtails. I was combing and brushing down this top here, trying to get as flat as possible, and I think I did a pretty good job. It's pretty flat, and that's what the parting is looking like. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is braid this in 2 pigtails going to the back. I'm gonna have to redo these baby hairs and everything because I didn't glue this wig down or tape it down. So the lace is lifting and it's messing up the baby hairs, but that's all right. What I'm about to do is just separate the hair. So I'm gonna just take a little bit of gel right here to get me started. I do got a couple flyaways up here, but that's all right. I can just take some holding spray and spray that down once I'm done. But just begin braiding. It doesn't have to be neat. I don't like too perfect of hairstyles, you know what I'm saying? I don't like perfect hairstyles. So you see how the lace is lifting up and all that good stuff. We'll go back in and fix it as soon as we're done. So you just go keep braiding and braiding and braiding. This is cute. Now see, I can wear it like this because it's not so much of the blonde, like boom, right there on my face. I think this color is too close to my complexion. I think that's what it is. I think it's kind of washing me out or something. I don't know, y'all. I don't know what it is, but leave y'all comments down below. Don't be too harsh on me, but leave your comments down below. Okay, so that's that. And then I'm gonna go through and fix all of this once I get done with this side. You know, these flyaways, just spray some holding spray and then just brush them into the hair. There we go. All gone. So I'm just about to do these baby hairs to where you won't see where the lace begins. You see what I'm saying? Just kind of play with it and, you know, to kind of camouflage the lace line. So I'm done with that side. Okay, so this is pretty to me. I can rock this. Like I said, because it's off of this color, is like off of my face. I would definitely recommend the wig. It is beautiful. It is beautiful. All right, I'm gonna let y'all go. YS Wigs, the link and the information on this wig will be down below in the description box. Thanks for watching. Bye.